stay at home.
You nice person. Thank you. You're welcome. Lovely person. That's how it should be done. Not like this clown. Go back. Go back. You should have waited, shouldn't you? Go back. You want me to go on the curb? What a fucking knob-end. What a fucking knob-end. Wow. Good parking. Good parking.
Oh, well, people can go outside for exercise and do their shopping and what they need to do.
No, not that.
Whoa, what was he doing?
Being a knobhead. Is he on the phone?
He is on the phone.
Touch, touch, touch.
Yeah. What is he doing? You want to make a rainbow picture? What is he doing?
I have no idea. Well, think about it, it's a fucking BMW, yeah?
Oh yeah, I know that, but...
It's not his car because he's indicating, he just stole that.
Do you reckon?
I reckon he stole it, that's why he's indicating. No BMW driver would indicate. He just sat there doing his paperwork while the traffic's just gone. What a legend. Na na na. Smack my bitch up. Oh, hello. Hello. You didn't look, did you? And you've only got one brake light as well. Super! Never, ever, 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 under like zero circumstances, never, ever, ever flash anybody at a roundabout. Ever, 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 ever. Never do that. Ever. Oh, why not, Benji? Because there could be learner or somebody who just passed their test, not learner specifically. There could be somebody new to driving who just passed their test, going out on their first evening drive, all like dizzy with excitement, and then somebody flashes them at a roundabout and they think, oh, I should go because they flashed me, because they're not quite familiar with the rules yet. And if you're that person, never, ever, ever assume that someone flashing you is a signal for you to go. Never, ever, 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 ever. Because that is confusing. Poor new driver, yeah, thinks, oh, they just flashed me to let me go. Pulls out and gets smashed into the side of. That's naughty. That's bad. Do not flash people at roundabouts. When you haven't got a parking space, just do that. That's fine. Just do that. Woo-sa. Woo-sa. It's alright, I'll be home in a minute. I'm not staying out long. This is stupid, man. There's pricks everywhere today. Fuck me, man. The fuck is wrong with people? Ooh, woo-sa. If you're driving a car or a van, a car in this case, yeah, if you're driving your van, your little tiny box van, and for whatever reason, I know it sounds completely mental, doesn't it? Just if you cannot see what's coming, at what point in your fucking mentally challenged brain do you think to yourself, you know what? Actually, I'm just gonna fucking pull out and just hope for the best. You just don't think no normal person would think that, would they? No normal human being would just jump out into the middle of the road and just hope nothing's coming. Just fucking pure luck. That's not normal. It's weird, man. It's proper strange today. Driving today is not good. Ugh. Woosa! Woosa! I don't even know what I'm doing. That clearly doesn't fucking work, does it? I'll give you guys 5 seconds to work it out. Go on. Was that 5 seconds? That was close enough, wasn't it? Or you could turn your fucking full beams off, your mental case. Jesus Christ, I couldn't see a thing. 1 again. Ah, ah, ah. 2 again. Ah, ah, ah. 3 again. Ah, ah, ah. Can we please stop using our hazard lights to excuse our shitty parking? It's not like normal, is it? I mean, yeah, you're a hazard, but it's not the right use of the hazard lights, and you just drawing attention to yourself, letting everyone know that you've parked like an absolute prat. Please stop doing it. Actually, we're going to have to put up on the screen the correct use of the hazard lights to try and educate a few people. I just have to show you how lazy Bristol taxi drivers, how strange they are, Bristol taxi drivers, because they're not quite on the same level as the rest of us. There's 2 roundabouts to pick here if you wanted to turn round. Why didn't they just do that? Because he was already facing that way. I didn't quite get their train of thought. Taxi drivers in Bristol, they're very strange little creatures. Yeah, I know it's like a silly little thing to pick on, but like I'm just trying to make sense of it, because that's like, to do that on a main road, that's a selfish little thing to do, isn't it? And considering there's a roundabout, there's 2 roundabouts to pick to do your little turnaround, and I just don't quite understand what goes through their mind when they decide they want to be selfish and block the road by doing a U-turn. 3-point turn, sorry. They're very strange people, taxi drivers in Bristol, very strange. Bellend. Did he just smile as well?
He like had a wide-eyed. Wide-eyed?
What?
Wide-eyed?
Wide-eyed.
Wide.
So he had his eyes open and he was fucking looking.
You know, you look, yeah. But you know when someone opens your eyes get bigger?
Yeah.
It was like that.
Owl.
Yeah.
Arsehole. Oh, well done. That's real smart, isn't it? Real smart. Fucking plank. Lol. Good number plate spacing. Was that a fox? I'm also pretty sure that's not what noise a fox makes. Huh? No, whoa. Did that bicycle have an engine? I swear to God, that guy was pedalling. He has got pedals and an engine. That's like a hybrid cyclist, isn't it? Hang on, under the windows. Am I going mental, or was that? He's got an engine. I wonder if anybody actually knows like what that is. Let me know in the comments. Is that like a product you can buy, or is that some DIY shed jobby? Is that what he's like fashioned himself? I'll be nice. I'll let you park. Go on. Alright, fine. Cyclist! I think I remember you. I'm pretty sure I remember you. No, you're a dickhead! You're a f***ing idiot! What a stupid little c***. Not even your f***ing wife doesn't say you should have f***ing done that. You silly little f*** off. Dickhead. I am pretty sure I remember you, you little f***. Good luck getting past that in your wheelchair, Alexei. Say it.
Well, no, because you probably could, sorry.
You could not.
You could.
You couldn't. There was a sign there. You could not get past.
It was a big enough gap to get through.
You could not get past that in your wheelchair.
But then, to be fair, you should be parked on a path.
If you had a double buggy, yeah, you'd have to cross the road, wouldn't you? Yeah.
If I had a double buggy, yeah.
So good parking, yeah.
Oh, really good parking.
Good parking.
Oh no, it's not good parking. It's bad parking.
Just shut up. You're ruining my speech.
Happy anniversary!
What are you doing? Where are you fighting? Are they fighting?
Where's the other one?
I don't know. Did I kill it?
No, you're good.
Oh no, I didn't mean to kill it.
You didn't.
That's
it's
fine.
fine.